Hi everybody. Will the world ever be the same again? I'm outside my studio on a cloudy day, enjoying the uniqueness of Hong Kong. I think a different approach is in order today, for the sake of variety. A little 60s satire, maybe. What's that? The use of humor, irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize people's stupidity or vices, particularly in the context of contemporary political and topical issues. Living in Hong Kong, I'll forego the political comments. After a year and a half, COVID-19 does not show any signs of abating worldwide. We'll soon be celebrating its birthday every year. So travel has been put on hold, sadly, as 4 million people have died worldwide. And the main thing the world has learned from it is that we can no longer trust what anyone is saying about it. As the wild man said, experience is the name everyone gives to their mistakes. The old adage, it's easier to get forgiveness than permission, has gone out the window and has been replaced by it's better to deny it than try to get forgiveness if you're the guilty party, and keep your mouth shut if you're not. Recently, my own intelligence has been brought into question by myself. I keep asking, is there something I'm missing here? As countries are so quick to open up, and all I can see is that in a couple of weeks' time it will get worse, as it has done for over a year. If it doesn't, I'll be the first to rejoice. Someone asked me, what's it like living in Hong Kong? Well, it's certainly different. There's about 25,000 people living within a few hundred yards. But there's also a couple of dozen restaurants, 2 supermarkets, 3 malls, and a gym, tennis court and pool are just downstairs. And of course there's the seafront promenade, where one can stroll, run or cycle, and from which some have been swimming. Though the urban legend here says no one ever drowned in Tolo Harbour. It takes 5 minutes to drown, and the pollution will have killed you long before that. Don't ask where all the flowers have gone. Ask, when will we ever learn? So greetings from this beautiful summer's day in Hong Kong, when 2 typhoons that came close earlier in the week have gone their separate ways. That's both a topical and a tropical comment. So after staff meeting earlier in the week, when the typhoon was on our doorstep, we decided to have Chinese dim sum for lunch in Wu Kai Sa, a welcome change. For the gastronomes, we skipped the Peking duck. Gong Chao Ngao Ho, thick beef noodles. Chinese roast pork, spare rib, beef balls, and Singapore vermicelli that is apparently healthy. Then a walk around, pick up some cheap fruit, mangoes on sale, durian, the smelly fruit, it's said you can smell it at 100 paces. Great fruit store. Still raining. It's not unusual to have many typhoons here in the summer. They bring a lot of rain and naturally strong winds. After work, pick up things at the supermarket and then home. Keep the comments coming, let me know how you feel, and be sure to stay safe.